So in question 8, we're told in 2018 the population of Sydney was 5.48, and that was 22% of the total population. And we're asked to work out the total population of Australia in that same year. Okay, so what are we saying? We're saying that 22% of P, let P be the population of Australia, is equal to 5.48 million. So getting rid of that percentage sign, I can say that 22 over 100, P, is equal to 5.48. So multiplying by 100 and dividing by 22, P is equal to 5.48 multiplied by 100 divided by 22. And if you pop that into a calculator, you get 24.9099. The question requires 3 significant figures, which is a break here. So therefore, P is equal to 24.9 million, and that is 2 3 significant figures. And that is your answer.